Okay guys, hi. I picked these up on Amazon with a coupon for Vipon, and it made them, they were both under $15, which you're not going to find anywhere. Everywhere I looked, the cheapest one of these was like $39. So they had two different kinds from two different brands, so I was able to get one of each. And I'm going to take them out. We actually tried a magnet, the one we used to fish in the lake, and actually picked up the box. So I did get another magnet today from a company that saw us fishing, but I'll show you that this will pick up Wukong fishing magnets. This is the fishing magnet with rope. I'll put what am I looking for? A link in the product in the video description. So they are the Wukong neodymium fishing magnets. Okay. And this actually comes with rope right here. The rope and a carabiner. So we've got that. And then the magnet is in here. I wonder how it goes when they're bringing the packages in, but okay. So we've got this. It says it's 304 there on top. Okay, it says Wukong. Okay, so let's see what it'll do. Okay, so you see how that's okay on there. And my kids are going to town over there. So we will try that in the lake. Actually, we have to go to an orientation tonight because Ethan's going to the next school, the middle school. So that's the Wukong magnet, and we're going to look at these fireplace things in another video, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.